Good day everyone, I go by name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
What is affiliate marketing? It is simply just earning a commission or a fee for sharing a product or a service with your followers. There's absolutely no cost or fee for your followers to use your affiliate link. So let's say you go to a restaurant and you absolutely loved that restaurant. So of course, you go and you tell everybody you know about that restaurant. Now when somebody goes on your recommendation, you get a commission on everything they buy. Affiliate marketing is basically the exact same concept.
Good day everyone, I go by name Skyward. If you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Over years in affiliate marketing, I have bagged a lot of experience which I'm about to give to you to become a successful affiliate marketer. I will teach you one-on-one how to be a successful affiliate marketer, and now I'm going to teach you on how I'm using ClickBank to earn money weekly. And as you can see on the screen, this is the result of one of my students' accounts who got my software and video course and is doing excellently well. I have a software, a affiliate marketing traffic generating software, which I use to get organic leads online to my affiliate platforms to have excellent sales like the one you can see on the screen. My software works by gathering leads online from digital platforms and promoting your lead, your link or your affiliate platform to these organic leads online for you to get commission. And we both know that affiliate marketing is just marketing a particular product for a company and getting commission from each product you sell. And with my software, you can make a lot of sales per day, because my software generates up to 5,000 organic leads online daily and promotes your link or your affiliate platforms to these organic leads for you to get commission. So my software and video course is up for sale now, and my video course will take you step by step on how to use the software and also tell you some important information you need to know to become a successful affiliate marketer. So this special package is going out at a cheaper rate to affiliate marketers around the world. And the purpose of me creating this platform is because I want to gather affiliate marketers around the world and create a bigger platform for affiliate marketers worldwide. Yes, because some people has been messaging me that since I'm making millions, why am I still selling software? So the purpose of selling the software is because I'm still working on a bigger platform to train more affiliate marketers and to bring more tools to share more tools to affiliate marketers and digital marketers around the world, so that they can know more about what I have been working on to change the game for affiliate marketers and digital marketers around the world. So to get my software and video course today, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today. Enjoy the click of the smartphones that are making edge in affiliate marketing. Remember, if you not learn, you won't earn. So learn today on how to make money from this my software and video course. Enjoy the click of the smartphones that are making edge and making it big in affiliate marketing. Once again, I go by name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.